way, is it?
I have no idea.
In rasa naik crazy wa.
There it is! We found it! Ugh. Whoa! So powerful.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit.
Morning.
Maybe it's not really a morning person, so I'm having breakfast by myself. I didn't do a very good job. Megan, ready to go?
Go now? Are you joking? You want me to leave now?
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
Donuts.
Oh man. Alright, a couple of hours later than scheduled and we're out of here now.
So we've actually been in Bali for almost a month now and we haven't left Canggu, which is the area that we are staying in. So we're leaving Canggu today for the first time and we're going to start our Bali videos with a classic waterfall. So that's where we're off today.
Bye bye. See you later. Alright, when we were first looking up which waterfall we wanted to go to first, we noticed that most waterfalls, if you're in Canggu, are at least over an hour drive. We were researching for ages, trying to find one that's somewhat nearby because we still don't know where we are. We're still trying to figure out how to get around Bali. And we came across this waterfall called, oh god, look at this. We came across this waterfall called Lakey or L-E-K-E-L-E-K-E. It's about a 45-minute drive from here, so that's where we're going to start off, and then after that we're going to try and venture out after that. So first of all, Lakey. Right, 10.5 Justin Bieber songs later and we're here. Hello. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
We've arrived and of course we messed up at the start. We looked it up beforehand and it was 30k each, which is about $350. But it turns out with everything going on, it is now 50k each, which is about $450, which is 100k, which is about €455. And so we didn't have enough cash, so we were like, is there an ATM? And of course, we're in the middle of a jungle, so there's no ATM anywhere. So she let us just buy one ticket for 62.
You can pay just one ticket.
62?
Yeah, we have, oh yeah, for 62 for one. Yes, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm hoping that we don't have any problems down the line.
Alright, so as you're walking down to the waterfall here, there's all these photo spots. They've set up like all these woven egg-shaped things and huts and everything that look out on the view, and as we're making our way down, we've had to stop at every single one and just get as many photos as we can.
Di full band. Megan, you be full Megan.
Thank you.
In rasa naik crazy wa.
Crazy.
Crazy wa.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Let you know what you look like.
I am one with the earth.
I am one with the earth.
We were walking down like the trail to the waterfall, and a guy seen us and seen that we were doing a very bad job of it and gave us a huge stick. Now we feel very jungly. Now, what? Okay, this is going to be interesting. Sorry. Oh, okay, no problem. Sorry. Let me any hand. Whoa. Okay. Which way is it?
I have no idea.
I think it's this way. Yeah, this way.
Yeah, we mean no harm. We have never been anywhere like this before.
No. Maybe in my back garden, but not Naples.
This is exactly what I think of when I think pure Amazon jungle, survival of the fittest.
Which is not me. Not me.
We can hear the waterfall. We've been able to hear it for the last few minutes, but I can't see it anywhere.
Yeah.
We are getting closer. When we were reading into this place, it said it was about a 15-minute walk down. So only a few more minutes now and we'll be there.
Hopefully.
This way.
Not for me at the moment.
Oh, we see some of it now. We're nearly there.
Empty, so it's all yours.
Oh, lovely. Thank you so much. We got the whole place to ourselves. This lakey sure makes you work for it, huh?
Yeah, I need a big fat ice coffee.
There it is. We found it. We have arrived. This place is insane. We have the entire waterfall to ourselves. We're just going to try and get a few photos while we have it to ourselves. Okay, we're switching to the GoPro because this camera is getting soaked. With the GoPro, I can bring it closer to the waterfall. Thank you. Whoa! We've arrived! So powerful. Oh, trying to get down is impossible. That was honestly so fun. We have 15 minutes to get back to our bike through this Jumanji-like
Welcome to Jumanji
jungle. So we're just gonna cut to that. See you in 15.
We're done.
The hike back was very tough.
Did not feel like that going down.
Before you click out and before we end the video, just 5 more seconds, we just want to show you one more thing. Before I do anything, my birthday glasses. It was my birthday a few days ago. I've been holding on to it the last few days as long as I could. We'd seen in this place here that you were able to get like a smoothie bowl with Happy B-Day on it, so I wanted to get that to finish the video here, but that finished at like 4 p.m. It's like 5:30, 6 o'clock now, so we settled for 2 for 1 pizzas instead. Really quickly, just want to say, if you want to see our day-to-day in Bali, because we probably only post 2 times a week, if you want to see our day-to-day, check out our Instagram and you'll see stories from every single day. Right, see you in the next one.